Hello, everyone. We are from San Jose State's HRIS class. Today, we're going to teach you how to use the feature of slicing pivot tables, and the program we're using is Excel. And the purpose of this feature is to allow you to compare distinct variables within your pivot table. My name is Hannah. We have Ivana, Olivia, and Joseph. Let's get started. Alright, to get started, go ahead and click at the link below within our description to follow along with this tutorial.
All right, everyone. So go ahead and download the data. From there, it will bring you to this, which is showing you the average household income. So first, we're going to start off with creating a pivot table. When doing so, you want to make sure that you click on Insert. From there, Pivot Table. It will automatically populate your range, but please ensure that New Worksheet is clicked. From there, you're able to click on OK. Once you click on OK, it will bring you to this section, which allows you to create your pivot table. So what you first want to start off in doing is click and drag zip code 2 rows, and you want to do the same thing for gender. After that, you want to click on commute and drag that 2 columns. And then lastly, you want to click on household income and drag that to values. Now, as you see here, household income is showing as sum. But as mentioned, we want to know the average. So using the drop down box arrow, click on that. From there, value field settings, and you want to change it from sum to average. Then click on OK. Now, as you can see here, there's multiple decimal points. So to eliminate that, go ahead and highlight your data. From there, you want to click on the $sign, which is the accounting number formats. Then decrease by 2 decimal points. Once completed, you want to start off with column A5. So go ahead and select that. Then click on the tab Title Analyze and insert your slicer. From here, you want to check mark Commute and Race, then click OK. So as you see here now, you have 2 slicers that have been created. One filter is going to be based on the race of the commuters, and the other filters is based on the method of commute. So go ahead and move your race and commute slicers in an empty area so that you can better analyze. From here, you want to click on the race slicer, and as you see here, you have different genders. Go ahead and click on African American. Then under commute, click on walk. So right in this area, now it is filtering information that pertains to African American commuters who walk to work.
So now we're going to the race slicer, and from there you're going to click Native American. And then now you'll see that the pivot table report changes to display only Native American commuters who walk to work. So the sliced pivot table report shows that only Native Americans who walk to work live in the 93466 zip code. So next you're going to go to the options, actually the racer slicer, and then from there click the options tab on the top. And then in the slicer styles, you're going to push this down arrow, and then you have more options to choose from. And then you want to choose dark 2, which is this one right here. From there, it will highlight Native American in orange. So now with that, you're going to go to the survey pivot table worksheet, and then so it's going to go to start, and then click All Programs right here in the bottom, and then the Accessories folder. And then from there, you're going to go to the Snipping tool. And then from here, you could screenshot your windows or your whole screen. So you're going to click New, and then going to go to Full Screen Snip, and you're going to click that, and then you're going to save it to your desktop, and you can name it Excel Splice or Slice Pivot Table. And you're going to save that to the desktop. So now from there, you want to exit this, or just go to your Excel, and then you're going to go ahead and click the exit the filter, and then it brings back all the variables back, and then go to commuter and click clear the filter. It'll have all your variables and data back. So now we're going to go ahead and go more in depth on the slice tool. So we're going to choose another variable or two more variables. So what you want to do to make sure you click the chart and then go to Analyze at the top tab. Click Insert Slicer, and we're going to go ahead and choose age and zip code, and then we're going to push OK. So you're going to have two more charts that come up, and then you'll be able to see the range of age and the zip code areas. So we're going to get rid of the race, just delete that one, and then we're going to compare zip code, age, and the commute. So make sure this is clicked on so this pivot table pops up. So right here in the rows, we're going to go ahead and remove that, and then we're going to go ahead and put age onto rows. So now you'll see all the different data that we have comparing age and the commute that they do. So let's go ahead and choose 934640 zip code, and then a range of 10 to 14 in the age, and then you'll see the commute with bus and a car. So let's just narrow it down, and by pushing bus, you'll see the amount of people in that zip code 93464, the age group from 10 to 14. The average household income that they live in is 108,597.
So hopefully after practicing this tutorial, you'll be able to master how to slice your pivot tables to have a better comparison of what data you have in front of you to compare. Another program that you can utilize with the same data set to practice is Tableau. Tableau allows you to recreate an interactive data visualization, and in Tableau you're able to split the variables just as we did in Excel with the splicer option into rows and columns, or vice versa. Once you're able to master the slicer option in Excel, we would highly recommend testing it out in Tableau to see which one you would prefer more.